Okay, so trade recaps. I took 3 trades yesterday and 2 won winning, and the third one was a losing trade. Okay, so my bias for the Tuesday was bullish because after this expansion to the downside, have we may want to uh, fill into this equilibrium range. Okay, and on ES we already did a break of structure to the upside, so I thought like the Nasdaq may follow ES's 4-hour bullish structure because in a daily structure, I think we're gonna sweep out these lows, but before that we may push into this auto Ferrari gap a little bit more and then retrace back to the equilibrium range. Okay, so in a 1 hour time frame, before pre-market, no, after pre-market, price swept out these pre-market hourly lows, but didn't enter into this equilibrium. But I was like, if there's a lower time frame confirmation after this 1 hourly low got swept, I can I can trade. Okay, so in a 1 minute time frame after it, I saw a 1 minute break of structure after this hourly low got swept. Okay, 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute BPR. Okay, this is a balanced price range. So price retraced back to the balanced price range and then a huge engulfing candle to the upside. I was supposed to enter off of this close, but it's 1 minute difference, bro. So I ended up entering off of here and then taking all the profits at here because there is no need to, because there's only 3 1 hourly draws on liquidities, which is this one, and this one. So these are the internal 5 minute structure liquidities, all right? So potentially I should have hold it until here, okay? And the second trade that I took was after this huge expansion, price retraced back to the price created this 5 minute bullish Ferrari gap and then retraced back to it, and then 1 minute candle reaction to the upside. I simply entered off of it, no drawdown, and if there's a drawdown, that will be okay. And then took all profit at here, took all profit at here. So first trade was 1 to 0.6 risk to reward, and the second trade is that 1 to 1 risk to reward trade. All right, and the third trade that I took was on ES. Okay, on ES, um, so so the so we did a bearish S&T. Okay, ES swept out this hourly highs, and Nasdaq did. So I was like, okay, if there's a lower time for confirmation, I would love to sell. Okay, and then there's a 5 minute bearish S&T too. So price was like kind of consolidating around here, but then price just did a 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute bearish Ferrari gap. Okay, then I just simply entered off of this Ferrari gap. Okay, and then I got stopped out. The one thing I did wrong here is that 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute Ferrari gap, retracing back to Ferrari gap. I should wait for 1 minute bearish Ferrari gap to show some bearish reaction to the downside to for me to even look for entries. All right, so these are the 3 trades: break of structure, Ferrari gap, wait for retracement, and wait for reaction. All right, so these are the potential, so these are the trades that I took.